Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BMO Bank's mobile payment services. So, does BMO Bank support mobile payment services like Apple Pay or Google Pay? The straightforward answer is yes. BMO Bank allows you to add your BMO debit and credit cards to both Apple Pay and Google Pay. This means you can make secure, contactless payments using your compatible iPhone, Apple Watch, or Android device. Using these services is simple. Once you've added your BMO card to your device's digital wallet, you can pay in stores, within apps, and online wherever these mobile payment options are accepted. This provides a convenient and secure way to handle your daily transactions without needing to carry your physical cards. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.